Alright, so hydrogen has how many electron dots? Just one. It needs only two. The first primary energy level up here only has 2 electrons in it. It only needs one more. Okay? Oxygen has how many valence electrons? Valence electrons? 6. Okay, oxygen is right here. So it's in the second primary energy level, second row of the periodic table. There's 2 electrons in 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons in 2p. That's 2 plus 4 is 6 electrons in the valence level. Yes? Oh, okay. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots around it for those 6 valence electrons. 1 on each of the 4 sides, pair up when necessary. But oxygen doesn't want to be stuck with only 6. Huh? We're going to need another hydrogen, but let's start with this, okay? Hydrogen needs 2, oxygen wants 8. If I share these 2 electrons, this hydrogen now has all the electrons it needs. Okay? Oxygen over here doesn't yet have all the electrons it wants. Okay? It needs one more. So if we need another hydrogen. Okay? You're right. Everybody's right here. So we can share these 2. That makes this hydrogen happy. Of course, it's not really happy because it's not really alive. And we're going to end up with a frown turning into a smile. Okay? Everybody's happy. Now, that's not the end of the story. Just like up here, we have to go and show what the result is. Okay? So what we do is we write hydrogen here, and instead of leaving the 2 dots separated, we squeeze them between the 2 elements. Okay? Squeeze them in between the 2 elements. And down here, we squeeze them between the 2 elements, or the 2 element symbols here. Okay? And the dots that aren't shared, they stay. Okay? So this then is a Lewis dot formula. For dihydrogen oxide, commonly called water. Now, just so that we're clear on some terminology here, I'm going to draw a bigger version of this. These electrons here and these electrons here, they're called shared pairs. Shared pairs. These electrons here and here are unshared pairs. There's another name for them, lone pairs. Dihydrogen oxide, H2O, dihydrogen oxide, water. What? Shared pairs are those that are shared between 2 atoms. Unshared pairs, also called lone pairs, are not shared. Really, high-end complex names here. Unshared and shared. Yes. What's the guy's name on Big Bang Theory? Sheldon? Yes, Sheldon. He has a hard time with sarcasm. All right. I'm not putting you down. I'm just laughing because I think it's funny that Sheldon has such a hard time with it. And you asked that question. I know you don't have a hard time with sarcasm. What? But I'm not being put down by it. I mean, it's just a joke, right? I hope. All right, here we go. What? I can.